Hi guys and good afternoon. It's almost or at least 40 minutes after the end of the trading day. It's Thursday and we're seeing red all over the index. Okay, so if you haven't been monitoring the market in real time kanina, I mean during the trading hours, isang almost solid candle yung naging ending ni solid red candle. Just to reiterate na madugo ang market today. So, MA9 is still intact, so the trend, quote unquote, is still intact. But due diligence lang tayo, no? Since medyo ano na yan eh. Kumaga, kung papansinin nyo to, para sa akin medyo parabolic na yan eh. Considering, di ba? And if you are a high risk trader, at kaya mong sikmurain yung tension, no, you can still enter a trade, but for me, nope, I have to nope out of there. So the the M&I, no, kita natin na may konting wick sa ilalim, may konting tail. And if you think that the trend is still intact, then go for it, guys. But for me, ano na to eh, anong term nila? Reverse shooting star? Yeah, para sa akin at least. Kasi inverse hammer na yan, no? Tapos may kita mo sa top nung ano. It's a bad sign, at least for me. And of course, kung ganyan ang market, all the blue chips will follow since they are the major pushing stocks. Sila yung major factors for this kind of movement. Okay, so let's screen the top 10. By the way, I will be screening next week at least yung most interesting, no, hindi lang yung top 10 kasi if we're going to take a look at it, this top 10 usually consists of what do you call this, blue chips, since the market is moving with a very bullish movement. So yung movement upward is driven by these blue chips, and since bumagsak ngayon, all the blue chips will also start to go down. And yeah, so just give me some time to prepare, and hopefully we can get in yung tempo natin, no. So video, napakalaking rejection, no. You just have to check kasi parang yan yung naging ugali niya for the past movement. MA9 is still intact pero masyadong matarik, masyadong steep ang tinahak ni BDO. And if you enter your trade here, kung sakali mag-retrace siya, layo-layo yan, no? Kaya mo bang tiisin na makita yung port mo? Diba? Malaki-laki yan. 4%. Hindi biro, diba? And I mean, baka mamaya maging ano ka, long-term investor, but looking at it, let's see, retracement level, golden ratio niya, 618, golden ratio is around 107 pa. Of course, there will be MA9 and other immediate resistance, pero ito muna, 236 and 382 and 0.5. Yun yung mga possible retracement levels, but for me, it would be good kung ang retracement niya is around the golden ratio. Bago siya mag-retrace. Yeah. So MA9 for trend following, and the MAs for then layo-layo pa yan eh. Diba? Or kung medyo ano ka, ito yan. I mean, same movement, same bearish sentiment, at least for me, since the market is correcting itself. Balik nga tayo dun hindi ko pala na-mention. Kasi wala na na-challenge niya yung 7,000 levels, wala na. Hindi na niya kinaya. So kung mag-retrace man si let's see, fibs, start ng reversal, end ng movement, okay, golden ratio stays at around 6.5 levels. That is near than, ouch, medyo mahirap pala yun kung sakali i-break nyo si MA100 and MA200. But if you're going to take a look at it, yun yung mga immediate resistance ni PSEI, diba? So around 667, yan, around that area. Yan yung mga support na kailangan basagin ni PSEI kung sakaling mag-retrace nga siya. Sorry, I forgot about this part. Yan yung mga in-expect natin. So it would be around MA100, no? This one, MA100 and MA200. Then yung pinaka-deep retracement niya, at least with almost confluent with the golden ratio, MA50. Okay, next to the next stock, Ali. So blue chips again, diba sabi ko sa'yo medyo boring since yung going down ng market, going down ng blue chips, which is the majority factor of its index. Okay, so si Ali medyo magulo, pero na ba immediate? Ayun na, na-break na yung trend line niya Next challenge niya is MA100. Take a look at the fibs. Kailan nag-start? To this one. So humalik na pala siya sa 236 levels, diba? Galing ng fib. So start ng reversal kung saan tumigil yung retracement niya. Yung bearish movement. Then upwards for the bullish one. Then nag-retrace siya. It's on the 236 levels or 36.6 something. So are we looking at the stock to consolidate further? We don't expect such we don't expect such movement. We don't assume pala, hindi expect. We don't assume that this stock would kung saan sasalo, diba? I mean, alam natin kung saan yung gusto natin or most ideal position for it to consolidate. We want that, pero hindi tayo sasalo ng falling ano yung term nila dito? Don't catch falling knives ba yun? I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, pero yun yung magiging natin. Kung pababa yan, just leave it and let it do its thing, diba? Walang shorting kay PSEI. Wala tayong hindi tayo pwede mag-sell dito then buy at this position, diba? Walang ganun sa PSEI. So, for now, since pababa na si Ali, if you want to invest, you have to wait for it to confirm it's the end of its bearish movement and look for it to consolidate bago pa magkaroon ng what you call this another bullish movement, diba? Kung babagsak ang PSEI, babagsak din si Ali, and we don't want to assume na sige maglalagay ako ng GTC order to buy this stock at the 382 levels, diba? Kasi doon mo ina-expect or doon mo ina-assume, pero in the end mamaya sa golden ratio bumaba or sa Dito pa sa 32 pesos, 'di ba? We don't know. So kung bumili ka dito, that's a 4 peso deficit, 'di ba? 8%. Kaya mo bang hintayin na umangat ulit 'yan? And kung bumalik yan dito, even lang. Naipit ka pa ng ilang gano'ng katagal man yung ibabalik niya. 'Di ba? You have to be realistic at least. You don't want, hindi naman tayo si ano, 'di ba? Hindi tayo si Nostradamus. We cannot predict 'yun. We can just be prudent in positioning and in entering our trades. I mean, just be realistic. You don't want na bili ka dito, tapos cut loss, tapos bumaba pa ulit. Isip mo, baka yun na yung huling, yun na yung cheapest niya. So, bili ka ulit. Kung bumagsak pa ulit, cut loss ka na naman. Diba? It's not a good practice to do those kind of trades. Because I know, I have been there. And I can tell you, it has been a good lesson for me. Okay, move on na tayo doon. Let's go with Converge. So si Converge medyo pa rin, lakas eh. But you have to take a look at this one. Parang napaka-pessimistic ng mga mga videos ka, Pero, I mean, kumbaga sa driving ko, may defensive trading tayo. we don't want na mabaliwala lahat nung naging kikitain or probable profits natin. Okay, so for this one, Converge, nagkakaroon siya ng mini conso dito, Kung papansin niyo here, from its movement here, yan din yung box niya, Kung hihimayin natin yung naging galaw ng ni Converge, then what it did was do a series of higher lows. Another one. Let's do another one. Diba? Higher lows, which is a good sign, meaning yung demand niya is palaki ng palaki. Diba? Then once it broke out of its box here, broke out siya, then it created a mini box. Diba? Shorter buwelo. Mga ito, mahaba-habang buwelo, pumutok. Ito, konting buwelo. And it, diba, pagka-hit niya, yung peak niya, pagbaba niya, respect niya yung box niya, yung breakout area niya dito. Then, tsaka siya pumutok ulit at, diba, higher lows sa'yo. Itong part na tol. And it made the MA9 intact. Okay, then, after pumutok sa box, medyo parabolic. If you were able to buy out on the breakout level, or at least dito pa, if you want to keep your profits, maybe take a portion of it and let it run, or if not, then secure your profits. Nag-trail stops na siguro kayo, pero for now I would not advise, kasi panigurado magkakaroon ng retracement yan. Ang naisip ko lang is, kung hindi retracement, conso at the high. Okay, conso at the high. Ano ba fibs nito? Let's start yung fibs. Okay, let's start here. Okay, tracement. Yan, diba? Possible retracement levels around here. And if not, conso on high. Conso here. Para mag-accumulate tayo. And kung yung outlook mo for Converge is good, diba? They're taking that portion of the market from Globe and PLDT, diba? Lumalaki yung ano nila, yung kagat nila dun sa telco pie. So Globe, PLDT, Converge, then ang humahabol is si Dito. So you have to weigh in kung anong company sa tingin mo mag-grow. With Globe and PLDT be paralyzed by these new players, or will they be standing against, diba? Or will they be able to topple off these new competitors? For that, we don't know. We just have to check yung yung financial statements nila, if Converge is getting that money in, and Globe and PLDT, if their financial statements are putting them on the red. We don't know that. We just have to wait for their financial statement lumabas ba. Okay, ever since pababa ang market, sa naglalaro ang market, sa basura, and since it has been very parabolic, medyo ano lang tayo, no? Alanganin eh. Siguro kung pumasok ka today, labas ka, double check mo ulit bukas kung ganun pa din yung kalakaran. Pero for me, let's say if I entered through this one, no, I would have definitely exited during this time and monitor it kung sakaling gusto ko pa rin talagang makita kung magpapatuloy yung kanyang trade. Diba? Maganda yung mga nakapasok dito. Diba? Breakout level. Boom. You would have gained, ay mali, fibs pala to. You would have gained 200% of your money. Diba? Cha-ching! To the moon. But anyway, ingat na lang kayo, guys. I mean, if it's your practice to daily trade, then good for you. And if you cannot monitor your trades, you can do GTC, diba? Depende din sa broker niyo. There are GTC orders on how to, if you want that position, or let's say you have to sell your price at 0.6 during anytime na mahit yung 0.6, or you can do a GTC by the end of the day, in which dun sa last few minutes lang ipapasok yung order mo, and if andun yung bid, then it will be hit, and if not, then your position is still intact. Okay, ACE-N isang madugong red candle, but let's see. Start ng movement. Nope. What we're going to do actually is here. Yan. Ano bang end ng movement niya ito? Start ng bearish movement. Consolidate. Okay. So, si MNI nasa 8.01. Diba? Yun yung breakout level niya eh. Kita natin dito, diba? Breakout level. Yun yung box niya eh. Masyado lang siya nag-consolidate sa lower box ng Darvas box, but after it broke out, diba? Seeing this as a healthy retracement, pero masyado mabigat, no? Isang red candle yung retracement niya, hindi man lang at least 3 araw Ganon. Mabilisan na rin yung galaw ni market ngayon eh. So isang solid red candle for today. We're not sure if this would continue until tomorrow kasi it's TP Friday. It's the end of the week. Some of us, or some of the traders at least, would want to secure the profits para worry-free sila sa weekend. Makapag-chillax sila. Hindi yung inisip nila na babagsak ba sa Monday yung stock ko, di ba? Either way, the trend is still intact because it's still above MA9. So that's one good thing. Diba? Based on the fibs, 8.03 is the golden ratio. Ano ito siya dito? No? 864. Yep. Next resistance kung sakali magpapatuloy pa din yung trend niya is 864 then 9.41, which is yung previous peak kasi nagkaroon ng matinding rejection. Diba? Mga galawan ni Aizen. Yan natin. Yung ugali niya is angat tas konso, angat konso, angat konso. Diba? RSI oversold area, pumitik na ulit. Yan natin. Still intact. Oops, na-break na yung RSI trend. So, yun. MACD is also going down. What I would like is to happen is conso muna at this, and if not, movement, it would still go up, then conso maybe higher. Hopefully, no? I mean, maganda, diba? Growth stock. May growth story, kumbaga. To challenge its previous all-time high. All-time high niya. 10.09 pa lang all-time high niya. Pero, ano yun? Rejection eh. Mga nagchupit. Next, SMPH. SMPH is, diba? Pababa na. The RSI is playing around this area. Maganda mag-conso yan around 50, diba? And it's still consolidating. I mean, that box is still intact. Kita mo yung galawan ni SM, diba? Pag naglaro-laro siya, dyan lang eh. Unless magkakaroon ng super bearish sentiment. Pero babalik din yan. Ngayon, market overreaction. Ito. Area na to. Pero dito na. Ito na talaga mismo yung naging start ng bearish movement niya. Okay. By the way, this good news din pala yung yung pag-enter ng GCQ with quote-unquote some restrictions. So that would revamp the earnings of SM since foot traffic would increase, and I mean, bugnat na yung mga tao sa bahay eh. Gagawin natin. Either way, I would like this to consolidate, but looking at the candle, no, it broke through the MA9. Next is ICT. Pakahaba na week na to ah. Okay. Mahabang week. Tapos na ba yung run niya? Grabe, no? Mali itong na to. Practice pa. Chewing cam. Anyway, Darvas box as usual. Kung itong pag-uusapan natin, okay, nasa 3618 na level na siya, and it would consolidate around this area. Hmm. For me, ano na to, high risk na kahit mabigat to kasi blue chips, diba? RSI wise, the trend seems like it's still intact. Pero delikado. Hindi pa rin talaga maganda. I mean, overall sentiment ko kasi sa market is hindi maganda. So, pardon me for my negative sentiments. SM, as usual, blue chips. Either it will consolidate here, or is it still above EMA9? EMA9 is 1,000. I mean, 1 peso. Diba? Immediate resistance. Immediate resistance is MA100. I don't want SM to challenge EMA. Sorry, not EMA, but MA200. Feeling ko dyan pahalik yun si SM eh. MA200, yeah. So it would be around this area. Start ng bearish movement. Shift sa ito. Diba? 0.5 or 0.382. So, yan yung mga possible resistance and support. So, nauntog pala siya kay 618, no? Good to know, good to know. Diba? URC, kapakalaki namang red candle na to. And it broke MA200. That's bad. Diba? That's bad. And what we can say about URC, kung ito yung breakout box niya before, so yan yung expected mong resistance or sasalo. So kung yan yung box niya, mali pala ano, ito pala dapat ginagamit ko sa box, diba? Tas console here. Yan. Okay, RSI, napaka erratic nung RSI niya. Bagsak, taas, bagsak. Hindi siya yung makikita mo na may trend na pataas. I mean, may kita mo pero grabe. Pala nilang gain lang yan. Okay na yun, no? 6%, diba? Matyaga ka. Sipin mo blue chips yung pinagano 5% per day. Per position. Okay, would this be the last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, JGS. So si JGS still above EMA9. The trend is still intact. Kababahala mo lang dyan is my indecision. This is the remix to indecision. Okay, sorry. Nope. So may wick sa taas, may wick sa baba. Hindi lang siya wick, sobrang habang wick sa taas and baba. So may indecision sa stock, sa price niya. So what would be the best play? The price closed at above MA200, pero problema yung wick. Okay, would be better if it consolidates around that area. Conso at high. I mean, maintain that position until malabo pala. Masyadong mana yung RSI niya, diba? Masyadong mataas yung RSI niya. So baka nga mag-consolidate yan dito. Pahinga muna. Let's take a look at its fib to see is what to believe. Okay. Rejection at 618 levels, but still intact sa 0.5. Hopefully it would consolidate around this area for a better outlook sa stock. But let's see. If we retrace, sabi natin ito yung end ng kanyang retracement niya. 57. Ano ba MA 100 natin? Diba? MA 100 is confluent with 236. So, possible support. And yeah. Yeah, the price is above MA 200. We'll have to see. MA 9, mataas-taas. Getting nearer sa MA 200. So, just be prudent with your decision, guys. By next week, I'll have more juicy content. Would that be the right word for it? But yeah, better screening, and will at least almost disregard for the blue chips kasi nga medyo bearish sentiment tayo dyan with the PICI going down. Yeah, and yeah. So that's all for today, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed my video and you picked something up with my bubbling. Okay, thank you, guys. Bye bye.